How to delete ChatGPT account permanently. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search chatgpt.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on your profile at the top, bottom left corner of your screen, and click on Settings. After you're in Settings, it will lead you to this page. Here, click on Accounts on the left side and you'll find Delete Account. Click on Delete in here. After you click on Delete in here, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Here, please type your account email, type in, and then to proceed, type delete in the input field below. Do it and click on Permanently Delete My Account. After you do that, your account will be deleted. This is how to delete ChatGPT account permanently. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.